I have some exciting news. I've officially opened my spring store on YouTube. It's Art by Donna, 2 beautiful mugs, a sticker, and a tote bag to start off. Your support means the world to me. Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's Art by Donna. And today I want to share a little heart-to-heart update with you all. I'm going to be taking a short hiatus from YouTube and social media with plans to return around July 27th, which also happens to be John's birthday, a very special day for me. But don't worry, this is not a goodbye, it's just a moment to regroup, reorganize, and return even stronger. I am making a huge change in my creative space. I'm swapping out my current art studio with my bedroom. Oh yes, the larger bedroom is becoming the new official It's Art by Donna studio. And my smaller studio will be transformed into a restful retreat space. This means everything being flipped, shipped, and reshaped. Furniture deliveries are coming. Organizing the hoard is happening. Yes, my fellow creatives, you understand. I'm putting deep thought into how to dive this space into a dedicated zones for creative, for filming, for editing, and simply dreaming. This is going to take time, effort, and maybe a few deep breaths, but I know it's going to be so worth it. Here's what I need from you, my amazing community. Would you prefer to see some behind-the-scenes updates and watch this creative journey unfold bit by bit? Or would you rather wait for one big final reveal when everything is in its place and the final project launches? If you could let me know in the comments below, I would really appreciate your input. It means everything to me. Now, speaking of that first project, are you in for a treat? When I return, the first thing I'll be filming is this big unboxing celebration featuring some amazing tools, molds, and materials I have patiently been saving. Well, not really patiently, but I will be opening from Resiners the Airless Pro Bubble Remover, which is going to be perfect in my new space, and a dual zone silicone mat for my resin art, which is an absolute must-have for staying organized and clean while creating. From Boowan Nicole, from which I am a proud ambassador, a treasure trove of Halloween and Christmas molds, plus some brand new candle making tools. I can't wait to dive into that. You all know how much I love their high quality molds, and I've been a huge supporter of theirs for years. From Bondcraftor, I have their incredible casting resin, and you know how much I love those eco resins. Plus, they sent me a UV resin kit, and I've been dying to experiment with that. And there's something super special from Teexpert, their UV resin dip kit. This came with gold and silver wire and wooden forms to play with. And I was so excited when I received this. I thought of our friend, Johnny Dark, and I knew he would make some magic with that. So I sent some of it from Amazon just to Johnny. and I hope he makes something soon with it. I'd love to see it. So yes, it'll be a while before you see me in your feed again, probably the next few weeks, but it's only because I'm building something even better behind the scenes. I may pop in for a live or two while I'm traveling or organizing. You know I can't stay away too long. In the meantime, I'll be posting a few photos of the chaos, transformation, and a sneak peek of what's to come. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. Tell me in the comments if you love a messy, magical behind-the-scenes vlog, or if you'd rather wait for a polished studio tour when I return. Now, before I forget, which how could I possibly forget that, I want to wish a very special congratulations to Aishu from Aishu's Crafty Kids Club. This is her 4th YouTube anniversary, and we have grown side by side over the past few years, collaborating almost every single week through holidays, challenges, giveaways, and celebrations. You've been a constant light in my creative journey, and your encouragement, your support, and your heart have meant more to me than I can express in words. Thank you for always showing up with kindness, love, and joy in our community and for me personally. I'm so honored to call you not only a fellow creative, but also a true friend. To my wonderful members and subscribers, thank you for being here, for watching, and for commenting, and simply being part of this creative journey with me. You mean more than you'll ever know. And to those of you who went above and beyond and gave blessings this past month, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I can't wait to see the magical creations that will come out of my new studio. Projects filled with more light and intention and more love than ever before. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. Have a great July. See you July 27th. I can't wait.